Hey everyone! Alright, so, get this out of the way. Yesterday we had can you open the lock using the clues, right? And we had the sheets over there. And that's that over here. Let's see the clue sheet. And here were our clues. Let's see if we can solve it real quick. So we're looking for a digit in the first spot, second spot, and the third spot. And our first clue tells us one digit is right and it's in the right place. So it is either a 6 over here, an 8 over here, or a 2 over here. But two of them are wrong. Right? Next, the blue tells us one digit is right but in the wrong place. So one of these is right but in the wrong place, which means, well, the 6 can't be right and wrong. So the 6 is wrong. So we know there's no 6. The 1 is either here or here, and the 4 is either in this spot or that spot. So you see we got our 3 spots. So far we know that. Now, the green clue tells us that 2 digits are right, but both are in the wrong place. So we know the 6 is wrong, so it's not the 6. So we know the 2 digits that are right are the 2 and the 0, except they are both in the wrong place. So there's either a 2 here or there. And the 0 is either here or there. Interesting. So we kind of know that the 2, since we go back here, let's go to the next one. All digits are wrong. The orange tells us that there's no 7, 3, or 8. So we know there's no 8. So we look back at the first clue, one digit is right and in its place. It's got to be the 2. So now that we know the 2 is right, this 2 is wrong. We know that the 4 has to be... Oh, hold on a second. Let's go on to the next one. One digit is right, but in the wrong place. 380. I'm looking at the purple. So one digit is right, but from the orange clue, I know the 3 and the 8 aren't right. So it has to be the 0, and it's in the wrong spot. So I know that's wrong. So the 0 has to be here, and the only digit we have left over here is the 4. The answer was 042 to open up the lock. 042. Fantastic. Today we're going to talk about the math of a piano, and this is kind of cool. On a piano or in music, there's octaves. So we have this is middle C. This is middle C, and an octave. I go down to a C, to a C, to a C. Back up a little bit, Catherine. So what's neat about an octave when it comes to math is that every octave, the frequency, if this is a certain frequency that we hear, it goes up, it doubles, and then it doubles. Right? So say the frequency was 1 hertz. Hertz is going to be our unit. So say it was 1, it would double. 2, it would double. 4, double to 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. Okay, you see how that works? We went 7 of them. So if this was a 2 hertz, if it was 2, we would double. It'd be 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256. Now, so what is this note actually? So it's supposed to be, if you tune it, it is supposed to be, this C down here is 32 and 7/10 hertz. That's what that is. 32 and 7/10, which means we double. This would be 65 and 4/10, right? Do the math there. And then what would that be? My question for you is, what is the frequency of this high C? If this is 32 and 7/10, double, 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 double. What is the frequency of that note? We're going to ski out.